So I finally decided to make my wall. As you can see, this is how it looks. Pretty nice, right? And here's how I did it. So of course I had to create my backdrop. I used contact paper. I created a stencil out of cardboard to create the design for my artwork. Just used an X-Acto knife, cut it out. I laid it on the marble board and began to measure where I wanted to place the diamond stencil. Traced out the pieces, used washi tape in gold and black, and just used an X-Acto knife to cut out the shape perfectly. And on the back, I applied, I know it looks crazy, cardboard, styrofoam, yeah, but this is just my creative mind. Put the lights there, and here you have it. My wall, my statement wall, created by yours truly, just using my own imagination.